today I have a very exciting video. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but if you haven't noticed from the title, I will be using this palette, and every single color in here is on my face. It's craziness, but I love it. This is the end result, and I actually really love it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Today, what I have planned is I have written on a bunch of sticky notes, like on the back side, the name of all of these shadows. These right here. This is from the Electric palette from Urban Decay, and it is one of my favorites. Today is the using
every color in the palette challenge.
Let's see how this goes. I have no plans. I have drinks and cookies and some praise and worship on. I am having some me time while Samuel is sleeping, and I'm going to try to do this fast because I don't think I have a whole lot of time left.
Let's get started.
Because we're using super bright colors, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jungle Pencil and Milk to intensify and have a stickier base for all of these colors. Now we're going in with Slow Burn, was the first color that I picked. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. No, inner corner. Let's pick the next color. Next color that I have picked is Thrash. This bright neon green yellow color. So where are we putting this? I think we're just going to continue going along the lid. And I like just going in a patting motion. I'm not really sweeping it all around because I feel that patting really does all the blending for you when you're using such bright colors, and it helps pack it on very densely on there. So you're not losing anything, you get minimum fallout, even though, I mean, I'm doing my eyes first, so the fallout doesn't really matter because I can swipe it away after, but it gives more color. The next color is going to be Savage. Savage is bright pink. That is the one right here.
Oh, Jesus. Bless me.
Next color is Revolt. It's silver. Hallelujah. I'm doing that on the inner corners because it's the only shade that would work. I gotta put a little bit more jumbo stick in the center here. And here. Much better. Much better. Ooh, ooh. Shiny, shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Okay, next color is Gonzo. It's going to be this little pretty blue right here. Okay, so where are we putting that? We are going to, I don't know where to put this. Okay, so we're gonna go with Gonzo, and I'm gonna try to put it in the crease here. I'm gonna mix it in with these other colors, really. I love this song. Is it what I think it is? Aww. I love A Walk to Remember, and I love this song. It's the one that I try to write over and over again. Next we are doing Urban. Purple. It's purple. Perfect. I was gonna try to make this outer corner a deeper purple, and that is exactly what this is. This one right here. I'm using soft circular motions and hoping that it doesn't get patchy. The next color is Fringe, which is this green mermaidy blue color right here. I'm gonna wing it, like, I'm gonna diffuse it. I'm not really gonna do a harsh line, but let's try that out. Fail. I totally don't have anything under my eye, so I'm gonna wipe this away with my finger because it's not staying anyways because I didn't prime it. And I am going to go in with a little bit of concealer. Are you hurting and broken within? Okay, now we are going to go in with Fringe. Now that I have some stuff under there. This color is... Ooh, the mail just came. Next color is Freak, which is green. Yes, yes, this group. We're gonna put it on the inner corner. I love it. We have Jilted, which is this pretty little pinky purple right there. And I want to put that I don't know where to put that. In between this pink and this purple, I guess. I don't know. I don't know anymore. And we have one more color. And it's the only color we haven't used, so of course I know what it is. It's going to be Chaos. And that is this very pretty little ultramarine blue. Is that what they're called? It's called Chaos. We are going to put that closer on the bottom lash line than we did with the mermaidy Fringe blue color. But I'm just going to put it on the very tip. And I'm going to put it up close against my lash line to deepen up that corner. He is Lord, Lord of all. Okay, so I'm going to be doing one more touch up. The bright blue that we had done earlier is not bright enough. So I'm going to do a little more with this very blendy, fluffy brush. Too much, too much. Okay, so that is the shadow part. I am going to do my face and eyeliner. I'll be right back. Alright, so the only thing left to do is lips and setting spray, and I am using the Tarteist lip paint. It's the only thing I have from Tarte right now, but I am going to be receiving something in the mail pretty soon that I am going to be reviewing, trying out, doing things for you guys, and I have also signed up for the BoxyCharm subscription, so keep an eye out on that unboxing video soon. So let's do the lips, and I really love these. You guys know I use the NYX cream lip paint a lot. They're just like a nice creamy formula, and it's super affordable, but there's something about this one in specific. They're so minty, they feel great on the lips, like they're barely even there. It's like satiny feeling, and they last for such a long time. Like I wore this on my wedding day and I only reapplied one time, like throughout the whole thing. And it's like such a natural color. This is the color TBT. And I'm running out. It's going a little dry because it's old and I'm running out, but this is life. Overall, this isn't so bad. I really like this look. It's very colorful, and I am about to wear this out. We are going evangelizing today, so if you know me and you're in my area, I might be knocking on your door. It is a church group, and evangelizing is pretty much reaching out to the community, being lovable and helpful, and seeing if anyone needs help with anything. And that's the most important part. And then yes, we invite them to come to visit us on Sunday morning. So if you know me and you're watching this and I don't see you on Sunday, I'm inviting you now. Okay, so let's set it up. Setting spray. Too much. Okay, very good. And we're done. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Apparently, according to the views, you guys like talking videos. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. I want to try to upload every Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I kind of dropped the ball on that one. I want to try filming Tuesday and uploading Wednesday, so hopefully next week there will be another Wednesday video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be very nice. Very nice. And I will see you next time. God bless. Have a good day. Bye.